May tayo po, Jay.
No! No,
Why?
Daddy.
Why no?
No.
Why?
May tayo po.
No! Baby book! I don't know what that. No! No! No, Daddy.
Why?
No! No!
May...
No! You're going! You're going!
Unicorn only?
Yes.
Always unicorn. Literal na need naman.
You're going! No! You're going! You're going!
Unicorn only?
Yes.
Always unicorn. Literal na need naman.
You're going!
Pabebe ka lang. You like to read book naman eh. What's that?
What's that?
Mommy!
That's a little mermaid. With dogs to this will be nugget.
Hello?
Wow, there are many
Jellyfish, seahorse, starfish, seashell, sand,
snail,
snail,
starfish. Oh, read. For my sweet Helena and her friends. And the
crab,
crab. There. Okay, read. At the bottom of the sea lay the kingdom of the mer people. Mer people are the mermaids, di ba? These are the mer peoples at the bottom of the sea. Crabs scuttle over the rocks. Fish went to swish through. Wait, I'm reading it. Ay, bubuya ka naman. Natatakas siya. That is reading at the first. There. First page. You read.
Hello?
Hello?
What?
What's your name?
And your name? Your name? It's clouds.
You must be cold. You say you must be cold.
Rain food.
You have to read the first page. What? I want to read the first page. Oh, read the first page, okay? Oh, we read the first page. If you don't read the first page, you have to start from the first page. Diba? How can you finish it if you don't start with the first page?
What?
Oh, no. I need a book.
Not yet all done.
That's mermaid. How can you say that's a mermaid? Look at her. She has a fit. She's wearing dress.
Look at the mermaid.
Where? Where's the mermaid?
Look.
Oh, there's nothing there. Where's the mermaid? Where's the mermaid?
There.
Where? Where does the mermaid live? Where does the mermaid live? Under? Under the sea. Huh?
The mermaid witch.
The mermaid tree.
Yung lasing ka na, kailangan mo pang pagbasahin ng libro yung anak mo.
Oh no, where's the mermaid? The mermaid is gone. The mermaid has a feet. Look, she can walk already. There's a horse. The horse? The prince riding the horse. And the prince saw the mermaid, but the mermaid has a feet. Diba? And then, the mermaid to go to the... This.
The cake.
What's this?
The princess.
This.
The witch.
This.
The king.
This.
The prince. The mermaid.
Good job. Give me 5.
The mermaid.
Played catch with the bird. They are playing like that. Hide and seek. They are playing like hide and seek. 6 beautiful mermaid sisters weave together in a coral. They hung bells from their tails and wove shell into their hair. They didn't see the storm coming. The little mermaid shout and wave, but they don't see her. She, at the thunder rumbled and the rain beat down. The ship rocked and the prince stumbled on the sea. The prince fell onto the sea from the boat. And then the little mermaid helped the prince to have a legs. Diba the mermaid doesn't have a legs? Now she wants to have a legs so she can dance with the prince and the other people. Let's rock at the witch. And yes, said the little mermaid, to talk yes and dance yes. Diba? Okay, if you insist, said the witch. Here's the deal. I'll make you a potion. Wow! She will make a potion to the little mermaid so she can have a fit. Do you understand that one? The witch wants to have the little mermaid voice so she can sing very well. But in exchange, the witch will give little mermaid what she wants, the legs. She took the bottle and swung up the bottom of the surface. You like the witch?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yay.
Oh, you want the witch? How about the little mermaid?
There.
You want to have a legs also?
You already have a legs, diba? You want the legs or you want the witch or the little mermaid?
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
The mermaid.
Oh, he saw the mermaid, but the mermaid has a feet. So Prince Nathan talked to her.
mermaid there.
What's your name?
The mermaid there.
There's no more tail. She already have a feet, diba? What? The prince asked, what's your name? You must be cold.
The mermaid there.
The mermaid tail, yeah.
I put in the book.
Yes. Oh, can I ask something? What happened to the mermaid? The mermaid already has a...
The mermaid.
The mermaid has a...
The mermaid tail.
mermaid tail.
This one.
Yes, what happened to the mermaid tail?
This one.
It turns into...
The feet.
Good job!
Mama.
Tok, 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 tok.